Welcome back to Nazareto's channel, and I have a great product from cartrimhome.com. This is a wireless charger for your phone, for your Rav4. This is LE model, and a colleague of mine wanted this installed, so we're going to get this installed. And let me show you this. So this is it. This is a wireless charger for your phone. Cartrim Home. The link will be in the description. I know it looks messy, but I already disconnected this. Of course, make sure you buy this tool from anywhere, from Home Depot, or it's called the trim removal. This is a plastic piece, so it's not going to damage anything. And before, I forgot to show you this, guys, but it's super easy. Now, first thing, you need to remove this knob, and you got to pull this down. I didn't show you the procedure, but it's okay. We'll show it to you in the reverse. And then this pin. So let's do this. First, I'm going to install this, and then we'll, in the reverse, you'll see how it goes back together, and you'll figure it out. So the first thing you have to do, remove all these connections from the back, from this platform right here, the cigarette lighter, and where the USB port goes. You got to remove the connector, and it's super easy. There's little knobs. You just press on it right here and pull the connector out. Very easy. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to remove this USB connector. There's like little knobs you have to press and push it forward, because this thing all comes out forward. And we're gonna install it into here. Yeah. Okay, in order to remove this USB port, because we're gonna reuse it, right? Connect it into the new unit. You have to press on these little tabs right here. One here, and one on the other side right here. So push it here, okay, and push it on this side, and this whole unit comes out. Now we're gonna install this into our new charger. I want to point this out for you guys. You see this little channel right here? The little channel? This has to align with this knob. See a little channel? Okay. And it slides in and click, and we're done. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the power cord outlet, this one, the original one, and on the inside there's a little tab, plastic thing. I don't know if you could see it. So you have to push it out. So it's kind of challenging, but you can do it. And this whole unit just goes this way. So I'm gonna take a small screwdriver. This is the hardest part. Push it on there, and then there's another tab right there. So once you both press, one side, push this thing out a little bit, and then push this other thing out. So, but it's kind of tricky. If you don't have a small screwdriver, use like something, I don't know, because you need to be able to push on this tab. I can stop it for now. We're gonna get, so the cigarette lighter is loose now, and it comes forward. So we're gonna put it right here, and now we have to remove this whole part, because this is a trim, with a little door. Super easy. Take your flathead screwdriver, stuck it in there. There's little tabs. Push it in and push this whole thing forward. You see like a little tab right here? I don't know if you could see it. Like right there. So there's one on this side and one on this side. Make sure you have a flathead screwdriver. Kind of twist it, and you see it comes off. This platform, original one, is free to go. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this one, this piece. Also, little channel. Did you see the little channel right here? Little channel. And on this little channel, and this little like how do you call that? Ridge or whatever. It aligns with it. All you do, click. You hear click? That's a good sound. Perfect. You see how it looks all original, guys. Now we're gonna take the cigarette lighter itself, and we're also gonna push it through. But pay attention how you install it, because there's little cuts, like little windows here. They have to align with little plastic knobs right there. So what I'm gonna do, or also, this is another guide. You see the little metal tabs right here? Tiny metal tabs. 1, 2, 3. They have to align with this little opening here and one over here. So align it. Click. We're done. This platform is done. And now what we're going to do, simply connect the power. So let's put it here. All right. So obviously this big fat connector, this is your USB power. We're going to connect it back. Click. You hear a click? That's a good sound. And this one, this is a power to your 12 volt. So what are we going to do? Instead of plugging this power cord into here, this is an adapter. It goes into here. Click. This is called T adapter. And then, and we're done. This installation is done. But before I put it all together, I want to test it out. In case if something doesn't work, I can just put the original platform back. So before I put it all together, you can just pause. Before I put this all together, I want to test it out, guys. So this is a hybrid model. You're not gonna hear the engine start. I'm just gonna turn it on. Do you have your phone? Is it wirelessly charging or no?
I think so, yeah.
So as you see, I can tell you there's a blue light, there's a little light there. That means we connected everything properly and we have power. Again, USB works. And this is a power cord for the camera or whatever. Let's push this in. Yes, it works, I can tell you right away. So let's unplug it. Okay, a friend of mine has his phone. Let's put it on the power wireless charger. Let's see what we got. Because my phone was charging. This is a wireless phone, right?
Yeah,
I can power this. But the problem is you have a case that might not work with it. Okay, no, there you go. It says charge. Oh yeah, you see the little mark says charging, a little flash, lightning flash. So yeah, the power platform is actually charging this phone right now as we speak. Now if you want to turn it off, you can hold this button right here and it's not going to be charging the phone. But every time you start the car, you see it's not charging at this moment because I turned it off. Let's hit the button back and it's charging. So every time you start your car, this platform is going to provide power. So you can throw your phone there, it's going to wirelessly charge it. And if there's some kind of item, whatever, you know, you just put some kind of, it's not going to interfere with it, so it's fine. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to turn off the key and we're going to put it all back together. Since my mistake, I did not show you how to disassemble all this. I'll show you. All right, here you go. Hold this, if you don't mind. It's already recording. Just record this way. So this platform, right? Let me show you again. This big fat connector goes back where the USB outlet is. The only thing you have to connect is the 12 volt output. So this is a T splitter, or whatever you call it, a power T connector. Black wire from the Toyota, that's supposed to go into your 12 volt cigarette lighter outlet, whatever you call it. It goes into this piece. And then you connect this other connector back into your 12 volt socket. And that's it, we're done here. You don't really need to worry about this, but I'll do it. I'll put it back together as original. You know, this is just hold your wires back together. Done. Okay, these horns right here, zoom out a little bit. These horns right here, 2 horns, they slide right into these holes right there. You see? Like one. Okay. Oh, the most important thing I screwed up. Very important. You have to remove these little tabs, and we're gonna reinstall them on this platform. Otherwise, you won't be able to lock it into place. So take your flathead screwdriver and pry it up a little bit, like this. They come off. There's one. Put it on the side. There's 4 of them. It's very easy. Yeah, we're gonna reuse them. Just a plastic clips, you know, hold your platform back nicely. Totally forgot. I'm like, why is it not locking? 2, 3, and 1 more. Oh, you can stop the camera for a second. Okay, now we're going to take these tabs and put it on our new platform. Click in place. It's very self-explanatory. I don't need to like talk much about it. Just put it in, click until you hear it click on all 4 sides, obviously. This side, and 1 more. Done. All right, now let's move this cable up. Make sure there's nothing interfering with your cables. I'm gonna take this platform and slide it into place, and you hear click. It's sitting properly. Now it's sitting properly. Beautiful. See, it's not moving, it's clicking into place. All right, next step, make sure all these clips are back into place, because I removed one. And we're gonna slide this shift knob, align the ear here, click. Yep, looks good. All right. All right. Now what we do with the shift knob. Yeah, it looks good. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take this shift knob. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's all aligned, so that's good. We're going to take our shift knob, but move this leather piece down. Make sure this button over here is facing forward. We're going to take our shift knob, push it all the way down. Take this metal pin right here, this tiny metal pin, don't lose it. It goes all the way in the bottom here. It's a little channel. You have to record from this side. Maybe from your side. All right, let's see. You see these little channels, tiny small channels. You have to be able to get this pin back inside these channels on both sides. So what I'm gonna do, I'm kind of gonna install it lightly. So kind of guide myself. All right, I think we're in. Yes, we're in. Without removing this pin, you will not be able to remove the shift knob. So the pin is back in place because the shift knob is moving, and we just raise this up and we're done. The installation is complete, and I'm gonna demonstrate again. Let's turn this car on start. Oh, I forgot, this is hybrid. Let's take this camera, let's plug it in. As you see, there's power to our camera, and let's take this iPhone, and let's see if it's gonna charge. So pay attention to, yes, it's charging. There's gonna be a little icon, charging icon. Yeah, let me get it. As you see, the power wireless platform is charging this phone. Now, if you have problems with charging your phone, there could be a case. I had the same problem with my other case on my Samsung phone. So
This is a case too.
Yeah, it's charging, and it's going to stop charging by itself. You will see this red light much more prominent at night when you're driving at evening. Now, if it's flashing, that means it's not charging. Again, it could be as simple as this case is too thick. So that could be a problem. So I might have to change the case. But you see right now it's flashing red. It means it's not charging. So, what you can do is sometimes just push the phone a little bit forward and it's fine. But this is and now it's
charging.
Yeah, it's charging. You see the little flashlight, not flashlight, little right there.
The thunder light.
The thunder light, yeah. So this phone is charging, and it's gonna stop charging automatically. It's not gonna overcharge your phone, and it's not gonna damage anything. So it's very cool. So this was from cartrimhome.com. I'm very happy with these wireless platform chargers. They work well. I had it on my my Rav4 for almost like a year and a half, and it charges all of my phones, my Samsungs, my daughter's iPhone. So it works. Oh wow, this car just started. Yeah, it's so weird. This is a electric what is it, hybrid car. But anyway, this is LE model, Toyota Rav4 LE 2020. Yeah, 2019. Yeah, and we did not have to disconnect any of these connectors on the bottom here. All I did, just move this whole unit out to the side, and that's it. Looks very nice, very beautiful, very original, and stylish. And also you can you have an extra USB output right here. This is for micro USB-C, and you can see the power on your battery. And also, we did not mess with this connector because this is original. You can connect your maps here, your phone, and you can use your Apple or Android for the maps. So it's pretty great. So thank you for watching, and subscribe for Nazareto's channel for another cool videos. Thank you again for watching this video. Link will be in the description. It's from cartrimhome.com. They have amazing products for the Rav4 and some other vehicles. So check it out, and thank you for watching Nazareto's channels.